In this video, we're going to be going over a way to make $500 to $1,000 every single day creating viral reels, just like this one that you see here. They're very, very easy. They're super simple to create and you get millions and millions of views. So what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be going over three things. The first one is we're going to be going over different social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, and how much money that they pay you per view. And number two, we're going to be going over research. So we're going to be researching what other creators are doing. There's videos that are getting like 5, 10, even 200 million views on their videos. And it takes them about 5 minutes to create, and they're making absolute bank. So I'm going to show you how to create these videos so you can also make bank as well. And number three, we're going to be using an app called Pixverse. It's something that I've been using for Facebook bonus program, and now I'm making thousands of dollars per month just by creating simple videos that are going viral. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money, go viral, and hopefully change your life. Let's get started straight away. All right, guys, so we're currently on Facebook. So how much Facebook pays per 1 million views? So there's videos that are getting, 5 million, 10 million, 100 million, 200 million views. So how much money can you make creating viral videos, which I'm going to show you how to do it very, very easily. Now, the information that you see on Google and on social media is pretty wrong. I've done a lot of research on this. I've tested about 20 different pages myself. I'm in communication with, not hundreds, but a lot of people that are making money with this strategy. And the information on Google is wrong. So it says here between 1,000 to 5,000 per million views. You'd only be making that on long form. You can definitely make $1,000 per million views on Facebook, but that you'd have to get a lot of watch time. You'd have to get a lot of engagement. You'd have to get a lot of saves, shares, etc. So this is wrong. So on Facebook, it's usually on average, I'm seeing anywhere from $40 per million views to $500 per million views. Now, it also depends on what niche you're in. If you're in a dog niche, it's going to pay less. If you're in a financial niche or business niche or social media marketing, it's going to be paying more. Real estate, it's going to be paying more. So it depends on your niche, and it depends how many people are spending money running ads in that particular niche and industry. So this is wrong. So it's roughly between $40 to $500. But what I'm seeing on average, it's about $100 per million views. Now, if we go on TikTok, it says TikTok pays creators $20 to $40 per million views. But in the creator fund, it says most creators earn up to around $500 per million views. The actual earnings can blah, blah, blah. So it's exactly the same thing as a Facebook. You can get paid anywhere from $40 on TikTok, a creator fund, anywhere to $500 per million views. So again, imagine if you're creating viral videos and you're getting 10 million views, 20 million views on your videos that take you 5 minutes to do. You're literally making $500 to $1,000 a day very, very easily. YouTube exactly the same. It works very similar to Facebook and TikTok. Instagram doesn't pay as much. I've actually done my research, and Instagram pays the least amount of money. However, I'd still recommend using Instagram. Build a massive audience, and then send your traffic to the videos or the social media app that's making you the most money. So for an example, let's just say on average per million views, you're making $150, yeah? And the best social media app is TikTok or Facebook. Then use your Instagram and send people back over to the platforms so you're getting more watch time on those platforms. So basically, on average, you're going to make anywhere from $40 to $500. It depends on your niche. But what I'm personally seeing for me is I'm seeing around $100 to $120 per million views. So now that you know how much money that you can make getting 1 million views, we're also going to be now going into the research. So I've got my phone here. Let's go into phase 2 of the research. All right, so now I'm on Instagram, and Instagram's a very good way to see what's going viral. The same as TikTok. TikTok's very, very easy. So I'm just on a random profile. It says best only AI. And let's just scroll down and we're going to see how many views this person is getting. So this aeroplane one got 9.9 million, so 10 million views. So let's just say this person had an Instagram account, TikTok account, YouTube, and Facebook, and they're also on Threads and they're getting thread bonus. And they're averaging about $150 per million views. Well, this person has made most likely between $1,000 to $1,500 just from this video, okay? And it might be more depending on your niche, okay? Let's scroll down. Let's see if they've got any other viral videos. So this one here got 1 million. Let's keep scrolling. So this baby with the chickens got 2.1 million. Videos like this, you can literally make this in 5 minutes. So this person here, for a 2 million view video, they probably made anywhere from $200 to maybe $300-400 just from this video alone. And it takes this person about 5 minutes to make, okay? 4 million views, 7.4 million. So this baby with some puppies again. So the first thing that you do is you create an image, which takes you about 20 seconds. And then you turn that image into a video that takes about 1 minute. And then you simply upload it to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. You put in some keywords and you literally make hundreds and thousands of dollars. This one here, 19.1 million views. Okay, so clearly that's AI, it's fake. So again, 20 million views. So 20 million views times, let's just say $100 per million views. This person's made about $2,000 from something that took them about 5 minutes to create. I won't even spend, look, 9.8 million views, guys. It's crazy. It's so easy to create, a $500 per day to $1,000 per day income online just by creating really, really simple viral reels. Another one, 11.9 million views, 1.3, 13.5 million views. Super, super easy. So let's go over how do you actually create stuff like this. Now, more importantly, what I want you guys to do is, if you want to learn how to do this, obviously subscribe to my channel because I'll be doing more videos like this. But you need to have a niche page. People will only follow you if you have a niche page. So make sure that, let's just say you have, like a cat video. It's a cat page or an animal page. You don't have a lot of random stuff. Now, this page is random, but it says best only AI. So you could create an AI profile and do something similar to what this person's doing, okay? As long as it says AI, yeah? Not dog, cat, stuff like that. So let's go over the phase 3. So you've seen how much money that you can make. I've also seen videos that get like 200 million views or 500 million views. It's absolutely crazy from really, really simple videos just like this. So let's go phase 3. We're going to be going over, well, how do you create stuff like this? Let's go over it right now. So what I want you guys to do is you're going to go to pixverse.ai. You can just Google it, but it's called pixverse.ai. Let's just have a quick look. So I'm on the pro account. There's a lot of different things that you can do here. So let's just play this. Okay, so she spins. So from start to finish, you can create different things. It's actually quite impressive. Let's go next. This is kind of cool as well. So you can combine things. So the only thing that is stopping you from going viral is how creative you are. Okay, super pull out. You can create anything on here. There's also celebrity glow ups. So if you go on YouTube or TikTok or even Google and you type in celebrity grow up or glow up, you're going to see videos like this that get 10, 20, 30 million views, and you can use Pixverse. So let's just go over a couple of these and then I'll show you how to do it. Night. So there's the suit thing. Okay, you can turn anything into wearing a suit. There's a 360 microwave. Again, you just need to be creative. A girl here, 360 microwave. Minion takeover. This is very, very cute where they do like the funny dance. So you can just have a quick look here. There's lots of cool stuff here. If you want to go template, so this is where all the templates are. Again, I won't spend too much of your time because it's not really that important to me to show you everything here. You can go through all the templates in your own time. That's interesting. I saw something like this. So you could do something like this where you're using a celebrity, you know, Taylor Swift or Tom Cruise or Justin Bieber, or an entrepreneur like Elon Musk or whatever. But there's lots of great templates here. You can create funny dances. There's a kiss thing. So you can create any two images that come together. So again, it's very easy to go viral. You could use Donald Trump and Joe Biden, yeah, because they're the polar opposites. And that's going to get a lot of people talking and engaging. So one simple video like this could take you, so you need two photos. I could put in a photo of Donald Trump and then another photo of Joe Biden. I get them kissing and then I create a meme. I could literally get 5-10 million views on that reel and it takes me 5 minutes. Yeah. And then I just upload everything onto my profile and then keep doing that every day for the next 6 months. And I'm going to get hundreds of millions of views. You know, that's how easy it is. So that's all I want you guys to do. There's trending, there's AI dance. This is cool if you got the dogs. I've seen literally maybe 20 to 30 Instagram profiles that have this vroom vroom step thing. And they've got like funny dog, funny cat videos that use that exact template. And they get 10, 20, 30, 200 million views. So again, imagine if you're making $10,000 a day just from creating funny reels that take you 5 minutes. It's crazy, absolutely crazy. This is how easy it is. So phase one, you've learned how much money that you're going to be making per million views on these social media platforms. Phase two was the research. So all I want you guys to do is go on Instagram, go on TikTok, go on Facebook, and type in funny dog AI, dog dance AI, anything with AI, you know, dog, cat, kiss. Now, the good thing about Pix First is this will give you ideas. So there's a funny dog dancing, there's a skeleton dance. So you could go on TikTok and type in skeleton dance. And again, let's just say Elon Musk is going viral, yeah, for whatever reason, or Donald Trump or some basketballer, and they're trending. You could literally go through this app, create a few templates, and it's going to go viral. Like, that's how easy it is. So guys, I'm going to finish this video here. If you thought that this is helpful, please subscribe. I'm a fairly new channel. I'll be doing more videos like this to help you guys make money. Now, some of you guys might not make $500 to $1,000 per day. Some of you might even make more money per day. And others are beginners. You might do 2 or 3 videos and give up. That's normal as well. But the information's there. I want you guys to crush it. It's super, super easy for anyone to make money online now. This is just one of the strategies. I look forward to having you in my channel. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.